Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about oil, crude oil, US crude oil. So let's get started. I'll take you back to July the 2nd. This is the weekly chart, oil chart. It was that you draw the fib from here to here, bouncing from the 50%. A couple of times, 3 or 4 times hit this 50% and bounce. So I said, okay, this thing is gonna go to the upside, right? So I'm gonna fast forward because I've been showing these charts in every oil video, right? So it went all the way up there, and then the next chart was to the downside here for 76.06. So it came down even lower, all the way to this TL. So this is where I made a chart. The next chart was like this, which is the current chart. You can see the 13th November. And I said, we're going to be bouncing from here. Maybe it will drop and hit the TL and then go to the upside, right? So my yellow mark is like touching the TL. That means the price needs to come and touch the TL and then go to the upside. So look what happened. That's exactly what happened, right? So this is where I had a long trade as well from the smaller time frame. So this is what my chart was on the 23rd November. Today is the 29th. So what's happening here? This is the chart a little bit, the move to the upside starting. And this is the chart I recorded yesterday, 28th November. And based on that, you can see here, this is also the chart that I made like a smaller time frame and to make the entries. And after a setup on a weekly chart, right? So you need to have a smaller time frame setup scenario. So this is my magic IB system, or creative trading system, whatever you can call it. So harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. So I identify them and then start to trade. So this one, I made this chart on the 27th November, right? Day before yesterday. It is a bad pattern, bullish bad pattern, and supposed to be going like this after it's finished at point D, which is, say 88%. You see that? Right. So 50 to 23% or 11% and back to 88%. That's exactly what it is. Beautiful bad pattern. So I said, okay, let's go. And because of that, I had this trade yesterday on the 28th. Beautiful entry here all the way from 75.62 to 76.94. I took it all the way there, right? And then the second trade is a small one here. My TP somehow hit there without recording the chart. This is today, a small trade, but from here to here, you can see this. From 76.51 to 77.39. And this is what is happening right now. This chart, my chart, the harmonic pattern, the bad pattern, see this? This is how it went up all the way down here and then continue going to the upside to these levels, even higher than that. Right now, currently, what it's doing is, if this is, let's say, wave 1 and 2, the wave 3 could be way to the upside around 1.618, right? So this is what's happening with this. See that? It's powerfully going to the upside, bypassing the 77.51 already. The current price is 77.85. But unfortunately, I closed my entry. That entry got closed. The TP was there. I didn't know, and it got hit. Right? So this is how it is. And I'll see if I can find another entry from the smaller time frame. But I will definitely wait now for a pullback. Right? It's just something like this, small pullback maybe, that will do the job. And then continuation, and I'll get it. So this is how the oil is doing. Again, weekly chart. Let me show you once again. This is the current weekly chart. This is how it looks like. I showed you that this is when I made the chart on the November 13th, that after hitting the TL is going to bounce. So it is bouncing and it is going to the upside. Now, the next level, you can clearly see that this is 77.85. So what we have here is 77.51. That is already gone, right? So what is next? This is gone, this is gone, this is gone, 75, and then this is gone. So now the next level is around 84. Well, maybe this one you can see the 82 or this little lower here. Pay attention to this one here as it's 80, 92. That is the next level. So you have a lot to go straight to the upside. So find the entry, get in, and take it to this level. 80, what was that? 80.92. Okay, let me see this small thing on mark here. 80.92. Okay, so it's not gonna stop before that. Maybe we'll give a dip a little bit to give the entry, and then after that, this is the next target: 80.92, then 81.67, then 82.65 is right there, and after that 84.58. Right, and so on and so forth. So let's see what happened. They're having problem over there. OPEC meeting, they're not being able to, clarify things or come, to the agreement just yet. So that is also a problem there. So let's see what happens. How it's going to turn out, right? But so far, oil is going to the upside, and take your entries and make some money out of this. All right, so I'm doing that. Again, let me show you my trades. This is the one, and the big one was yesterday. From here to here, alongside with the gold. Gold and oil, they both start going big time to the upside. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these updates so that you can take advantage of these setups. Okay. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys there. And if you like what you saw here, and then the system, how it works and all of that, and if you need to get the system, just go on my website, my creativetrading.com, and you will have it there. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.